We wish to make this HTML page reserving the possibility to simply change the location of the text block and that of the image. In addition, we want to put our title to a location of our choice on the page. To do this, go into Dreamweaver. Using the column creation and the HTML key, create a new HTML page. We will integrate in this page using the Insert menu, Objects and Layout option, and AP Div. A div in absolute position. AP means for absolute position. This tag will contain our title. So I write my first page. The interest of an AP Div is that it's possible to resize this tag and position it where we desired on the screen. Okay. We will now create another tag. So using the Insert menu, Objects Layout, and AP Div. So we will size the tag to a sufficient size for our text is contained within. Can resize like this and this, and maybe a greater here, and inside, so you will write your text. So here it looks like. So I can shift the block text here. I can shift the title block. Okay. So we will now create another APDiv tag to insert an image. So Insert menu, Object Layout, AP Div here. So we shift this block, this div, and here we will insert inside this tag an image by using Insertion menu, Image, and you search on your hard disk an image to be inserted. For instance, this one. So I click on OK once and twice, and I enter secondary text for the tooltip, little street. Okay, so my image was inserted. Okay, so I can save this work by the combination K, Control and S here, and I enter a name for my work. For instance, third page, and I click on Save. So the created page can be seen by clicking on this icon here, View Debug, or by clicking on the F12K here. So we have the results in your favorite browser. Okay. But now we decide to shift the title above the image. To do this, we go back to Dreamweaver here, and we select the AP Div Tag containing the title, and we shift it and position it just above the image, like this. Okay. Oh, by the way, we will take the opportunity to expand the column containing the text. Simply drag one way or the other so as to increase or decrease the width of this column. So we can increase here or decrease the size of my column. Okay, so you can see that could be like that. So I save my work by the combination key Ctrl and S, and I want to see the results in my favorite browser, so I click on F12K. So I said yes here, and now you have the results of your modification. Here you can see that your text is closer to the image and the title was shifted. So we may decide at any time to reverse. For instance, the text to the right and the image to the upper left corner of the window, and the title of my page below the image. And then the text box must be near the image and should be much greater. So we go back to Dreamweaver and we do these things. So we shift the text box here, we shift, here, so you have to select the AP Div, okay, and then you shift here, okay, then the text below here, and the text box here closer to the image, and the size greater. Okay, so we can resize my AP Div. Okay, I save my work by Ctrl S. Okay, and I can see the results in my favorite browser. Here you have the results. Okay, so thanks to this technique we can modify very easily the layout of an HTML document.